Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app Omnisend Action Automation for workflows. Once you're in your account, navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and you click on it. Then you click on Install and you choose an account where you want to install. Then you click on Continue and you click on Allow and Install. There, a page is going to pop up where you copy the custom menu link, head back to the account, go to settings, and you click on the custom menu link to create a new one. Click on create new, you give it an icon, and you give it a name, and you paste the link here, choose a sidebar preference, you choose an account, and you give it a role-based visibility, then you click on save. Once you're done creating the custom menu link, switch back to the account where you added the custom menu link and you click on the custom menu link to have access to the interface of the app. We have the first interface that is going to pop up and it's going to show you that your app has not yet been connected or it has been connected. No worries, let's walk you through on how to connect this app. And the second interface is going to pop up where you have all its necessary features such as the documentation. We have the smart queue video and another video that is going to walk you through on how to complete your app setup. We have the setup feature here. Here, the app has not yet been connected. Let's walk you through on that. We have already created our account online. Let's head to the account online to get the necessary features to set up the app. Once you're in your account, click on the settings, click on the API, and you click on create new API. Then you give it a name and you toggle all the permissions on, then you click on the create API and you copy the API key, head to your account, click on start setup and you paste. Then you click on complete setup and your app will be successfully set up and connected. We have the support center where you're going to create a ticket and as well book a call for our support team. And there you go, the last feature and the most interesting feature, which is a change log feature. And at the level of the changelog, you're going to see all the new updates and changes of this app. And to receive emails concerning these changes or updates, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email, and you click on the subscribe button. There you go. You've learned how to install and set up the app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.